Want to earn $100 a week without showing your face, using just free AI tools? Whether you're a complete beginner or on a tight budget, I'll walk you through the exact strategy to start a faceless YouTube channel with zero on-camera time and $0 upfront. Let's build your first passive income stream, step by step. Before you make a single video, you need a niche, something specific people are already searching for. Here are some proven, high-converting niches for faceless channels. AI tools and automation, side hustles and making money online, productivity hacks and tech tutorials, digital marketing or e-commerce. Pick one you're curious about. You don't have to be an expert. You just need to research and stay consistent. Once you know your topic, head to ChatGPT. Type in a prompt like, write a 2-minute YouTube script about 3 free AI tools for productivity. ChatGPT will give you a great starting point. Then, tweak it to sound more natural. Keep sentences short and clear. Add your own thoughts if you can. Tip: keep your full video script around 400 to 600 words for 3 to 4 minutes of final video. Now, you need voiceover. But don't worry, you don't have to talk. Use TTS Maker, ElevenLabs, or Play.ht. These tools turn your text into realistic AI voices. Choose a calm, clear voice. Export it as an MP3 file. Want to upgrade later? ElevenLabs has some of the most human-sounding free voices in the game. Combine the voiceover with visuals. The easiest way? Use screen recordings of websites or tools you're mentioning. Use OBS Studio or ScreenPal, simple slides or animations with Canva or Pictory. Add subtitles using tools like CapCut or Play.io. Avoid stock footage if possible. Screen recordings feel more real and keep viewers engaged longer. Your goal isn't perfection, your goal is clarity. Upload your video to YouTube. Make sure to use a title with numbers or results, like this one. Create a clean, high-contrast thumbnail with Canva or OpusClip. Write a keyword-rich description with hashtags. Add relevant tags like faceless videos, AI tools, earn online, and start with 2 to 3 uploads per week. YouTube rewards consistency, not perfection. This is exactly how creators are earning $100, $500, and even $5,000 a month. All behind the scenes, faceless, and powered by free tools. If this strategy helps you, hit subscribe to earn via AI, and I'll guide you through building your first faceless business, one AI-powered step at a time.